A pleasant day to one and all. My name is Matangi and I am a proud alumni of BVM Global at Perungudi. I am currently pursuing my biomedical sciences courses in Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research. I joined BVM Global at Perungudi when I was in 5th, and the 6 years of journey that I've had with this school is something that will remain very special to my heart. BVM Global at Perungudi has been like a second family and a home for all of us who have studied there. The teachers of my school are very supportive and they are always open to ask any doubts or questions we have on a particular topic. I still remember that we were the first set who had actually written an annual pattern in the CBSE boards that particular year. So all of us were kind of stressed and nervous. We didn't know how to go about, how to read because we were so used to reading in semester patterns. But at that time, our teachers came up to us, told us to be strong and gave us so much support and courage to move forward that we were able to overcome almost all the hurdles that we had, and we achieved and came out as flying colors. We remember that at one point before our boards we had our Sahodaya paper. All of us had felt very low because we were not able to catch up with a lot of things during this time, and it was a peak month of December. So all of us were very stressed out. At that point, teachers came to us on a personalized basis, talked to us about the kind of struggles or issues we were going through in that paper, helped us achieve and learn the mistakes that we had done in our paper to make sure we don't repeat it once more in our exam. And that had been one of the most turning point for all of us, and that I consider to be one of the biggest golden traits of a school, because we were all able to score very good marks in our 10th board exam, and the appreciation goes out to all the teachers there. At the same time, we used to have great events like the cultural day, the sports day, the annual day. Now, sports day and annual day and projects day have been very golden to me because they've helped to recognize the talents, the unique talents we had within us. It was during the project day times I realized that I had an interest for research, and at the same time I would love to sit with my friends and brainstorm about it. And I also liked the part where the teachers gave us the freedom to go about, to work on models, and they encouraged us to go about a lot of things and to bring out a very good idea. They've always supported us to do anything that we needed. At the same time, I was always a very shy person who was not able to speak on an open forum that easily. And these projects also, like the part where the teachers gave us the freedom to go about, to work on models, and they encouraged us to go about a lot of things and to bring out a very good idea. They've always supported us to do anything that we needed. At the same time, I was always a very shy person who was not able to speak on an open forum that easily. And these projects days, sports days and culturals day made me realize that even I could speak on an open forum. Who I am today, who is able to speak on an open forum with so much confidence, with so much ease, is because of my teachers, and it's because of my school. It has shaped me into the person who I am today. It has given me the school has given me so much confidence to go forth with anything and everything. And at the same time, they've always recognized the inner potentials that we have had within us, something we couldn't recognize, but the teachers saw it within us and they sparked up those potentials, and they made those potentials come true. So I would like to thank all my teachers, my friends, my fellow classmates, and the staff who have shaped me into a person who I am today, and who have also helped me out to come as flying colors. BVM Global at Perengudi's journey has been one that will always remain dear to me, and it will remain dear forever. Thank you.